With ASG, it's really easier to communicate.
6 right now, and we will go pick up our customer for the factory tower. It's hammering outside. Here we arrived at the hotel.
Jacket, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
This is Nissan Winter.
Hello.
Now we're going to the factory.
我们现在
Here
在
we
看一下
arrived
工
at the
厂。
factory.
Really good supplier. He has really good quality. Also, a really good conversation with him. He explains really good.
After lunch, now we are going to visit next factory. Next factory. Let's go.
Let's go. How do you think this supplier?
It's pretty good. I think they have a good quality.
How do you think today's trip?
Thanks ASG so much. With ASG, there's no play. There's only the good things. It's really easier to communicate. It's really easier to source. So I think ASG really is the way to go when you come to China if you're a foreigner.
ASG really good service. I always do recommendation in Canada.